Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution was a transformative period spanning from the late 18th century to the early 19th century, marking a significant turning point in human history. Originating in Britain, it spread to other parts of the Europe and North America, fundamentally altering the socio-economic and cultural landscape. This era was characterized by a shift from agrarian economies to industrialized ones, driven by advances in technology and manufacturing process. Key inventions such as the steam engine, spinning jenny, and power loom revolutionized industries like textiles, transportation, and agriculture, leading to increased productivity and efficiency. The Industrial Revolution also had profound social impacts, including urbanization, the rise of factory based labor, and changes in living conditions. Despite its contributions to economic growth and technological progress, the period also highlighted challenges such as worker exploitation, environmental degradation, and social inequalities, laying the groundwork for modern labor rights movements and environmental awareness. The Industrial Revolution, which began in Great Britain in the late 18th century and spread to other parts of the world, was a period of profound transformation in industry, technology, and society. It marked the shift from agrarian economies to industrialized ones with the introduction of machinery and mass production techniques. It marked the shift from agrarian economies to industrialized ones with the introduction of machinery and mass production techniques. Textile manufacturing saw significant innovations such as the spinning jenny and power loom, which increased the speed and volume of fabric production. The revolution also led to urbanization as people moved from rural areas to cities in such a search of work and resulting in significant social changes. While it brought about economic growth and improved standards of living for many, it also created challenging working conditions with long hours and poor environments in factories, sparking early labor movements. Overall, the Industrial Revolution laid the groundwork for the modern industrialized world. Thanks, guys.